Live with chips on the wall. Hi guys, good morning. Still in Wales. We are going to go and see a waterfall today. It's called Abbot Falls. It is. Still in the car park. We've been here for a few days. Andy was sick yesterday. She was puking up everywhere. So, but today we're back on the road. So I'm just going to go for a little in here. Yes, cold. But I need to wake up, I need to release some stress. So I am going to dunk my head in. And then hopefully I feel better. So stay tuned guys, let's go.
I'ma walk down the square and buy some bananas. Un poquito cause they are so sweet. I grab a tin of beans that does smash through the stars, and some tortilla just to hold it all. I said banana and beans, oh, you're stuck in my dreams. Banana and beans and avocado and tomato and some onion and cheese. Oh,
hi guys, we're on the trail to the falls. So if you guys have never been here and thinking about coming here and you don't want me to ruin it, then look away. But it is an hour and a half to the waterfall and an hour and a half back. Yeah, you stay tuned guys, I will show you the waterfall.
Back over here and cut out over them, but there's no friggin' way I'm cutting down on them. I said banana and beans, oh, you're stuck in my dreams. Banana and beans and avocado and tomato and some onion and cheese. Oh, yeah, yo necesito.
You guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but this is the waterfall. Hi babes.
My banana, and beans, banana and beans. Oh, yeah, banana and beans. Oh, yeah. The next day, tomorrow.
Feeling better today, babe? And your poopy pants. Hey, guys, can you hear the steel drums? So this is where we stayed. This is £6 for the night with water and grey waste. And there's a little carnival on today. We've got ice cream, we've got hog roast, we've got Caribbean food, we've got wet feet. What more do you need in life, guys? Hey, got a wet Mabel. The van's around the corner because we parked out the way. So yeah, we're just going to go for a walk. I'll get some pictures of some little river walks. I don't know what else, guys, you want me to talk about or want me to waffle about, but look at mountains in the background. Got helter skelter. Where's my finger? Got all sorts. Should be a good day. Let's go.
I'm growing up and need some time to think it through.
Best thing about van life, peeps, is views like this. Oosh. On the road again. We're going back to our spot because
You want to go back in the water?
Marcus, he bought a paddleboard. So he wants to test out his paddleboard. And tomorrow it's meant to be 18 degrees.
I'm
So,
feeling better.
and then he's feeling better. So if we get our spot by the lake, yeah. But if we leave tomorrow, it's going to be Ramo. So
Ramo Jamo.
we will not get a space. So if we go now, park up overnight, we'll get a space.
Hopefully. Fingers crossed.
There's 3 car parks, babe.
If not, then we could go to that campsite. You said it would be back on Sunday.
Oh yeah. It did.
yeah.
It's, why is that driving like that when there's kids around? park up. I am wearing Andy's pink dressing gown. We are going paddleboarding tomorrow. Look at that view. What more can you ask for? Bang you! So guys, we'll see what happens in a minute, but if not, good night, good bless, and we'll see you tomorrow. Excited for dinner, babe?
Now that I'm feeling better.
Are you going to eat it all?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, we've got sausages on, we've got good view on, and we've got Britain's Got Talent on. What can you ask for? And we've got a Daisy just staring. Make sure you save some of that gravy for Daisy.
I will, there's loads of gravy there.
Okay.